job that pays well and provides security? Well, we have curated a list of some such jobs for you. Welcome to Rhythm. I'm Vidusha Agarwal and you're watching our special segment, Career Canvas, your ultimate source for job vacancies and career opportunities. GAIL India Limited is offering 391 positions for non-executives in various disciplines including mechanical, civil, fire, electrical, laboratory, finance and accounts, and instrumentation. For details on the grade-wise number of posts, discipline, eligibility criteria, general conditions, and instructions for filling out the online application form, please visit the career section on their website at www.gailonline.com. The last date for applying is 7 September 2024. Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College, Pune is inviting applications for the positions of Professor, Associate Professor, Assistant Professor, Senior Resident, Demonstrator, and Casualty Medical Officer. Qualifications and experience must align with the latest NMC rules. Now, applicants should specify the position applied for and email their detailed CV to the HR at medhr.recruitment@dpu.edu.in within 7 days from the release date of the advertisement. Salary is no bar for deserving candidates. Delhi Public School is currently inviting applications for various positions including PGT, TGTs, accountant, special educator, junior librarian, library attendant, and laboratory assistant. The pay and allowances for these positions are in accordance with the recommendations of the 7th Pay Commission, with the possibility of a higher start for deserving candidates. Interested individuals are requested to apply exclusively through the link available on the vacancies tab of the school's website at www.dpsbulandshahr.com within 14 days of the publication of this advertisement. Accommodation will be provided for outstation candidates. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted for an interview. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited is inviting applications for the positions of DGM in Finance, Senior Manager Finance, Assistant Manager Finance, Senior Executive, and Executive. These roles are located anywhere in India. For detailed information on eligibility, application process, and other details, please visit their website at www.rvnl.org in Career Jobs. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited is inviting applications for various positions including technician, HR, manager, security, and technical general manager. Fixed-term contractual employment for managers is also available. Detailed information on general conditions, reservations, eligibility, and other criteria can be found in the career section of the website at www.grse.in. Candidates are required to apply exclusively through the online mode. No other mode or means of submission will be accepted. Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta is inviting applications for several positions including Senior Administrative Officer on regular pay scale, Administrative Officer on regular pay scale, General Manager in IT, and Deputy General Manager in IT. The last date for receiving applications is 4th September 2024. Interested candidates can visit the website at www.iimcal.ac.in for necessary details. Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited is inviting applications for the position of Officer in Finance E1 grade with 5 vacancies available across India. Interested candidates can find further details in the recruitment section of the company's website at www.rcfltd.com. Sri Ram Murthy Smarak Institute of Medical Sciences, Bareilly is inviting applications for 1-year postdoctoral certificate courses, also PDCC and senior residency, SR in various specialties including neuroanesthesia, gastroenterology, critical care, infectious diseases, urology, and oncopathology, etc. The registration fee is Rs 50,000 one time. Applicants must have qualifications such as MD, MS, or DNB. Applications can be submitted online within 15 days through their website at www.srms.ac.in/IMS. Hindustan Urvarak and Rasayan Limited, also HURL, is conducting walk-in interviews for the position of executive on a full-time fixed-term contract basis. Interested candidates must visit or register on their website at www.hurl.net.in under the career section to participate in the interviews. The registration deadline is 16th August 2024. Only registered candidates will be permitted to attend the walk-in interviews. For details on the eligibility criteria, the application process, and other information, please visit their website. Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited, also Midhani, is conducting a walk-in selection process for various posts. Positions available include assistant level 4 in metallurgy, mechanical and office roles, and assistant level 2 in electrician, welder, diesel mechanic, etc. The engagement period is initially for 1 year, extendable up to 3 years based on performance and requirements. Benefits such as PF, leaves and medical will be provided as per rules. Interested candidates can find detailed advertisements and eligibility criteria on their website at www.midhaniindia.in. So that wraps up today's updates, but worry not, we'll be keeping you in loop with more notifications, ensuring you stay ahead and never miss a career opportunity. If you've enjoyed today's content, don't hesitate to hit that like button, share with friends and subscribe to stay tuned for more updates on career opportunities. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching Rhythm.
रितम मीडिया की नई ऐप आ गई है। जी हाँ, देश की उभरती हुई बहुभाषी मल्टीमीडिया रितम ऐप का नया वर्जन लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस नए अपडेट के साथ मिलेंगे आपको ढेर सारे मजेदार फीचर्स। जैसे ही आप ऐप खोलेंगे, आपको सबसे ताजी खबरों का सेक्शन लेटेस्ट न्यूज मिलेगा। इसमें आप देश दुनिया की हर खबर PIH और देख सकते हैं। साथ ही दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री में जानिए इतिहास की खास बातें। रितम मीडिया ने खास आपके लिए टीवी और वेब सीरीज सेक्शंस जोड़े हैं। अब देखिए अलग अलग न्यूज चैनल्स और मजेदार कहानियां। और हाँ, सिटीजन जर्नलिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए वीडियो सेक्शन भी है। यहाँ आप अपने इलाके की बातें सब तक पहुँचा सकते हैं। खासकर महिलाओं और युवाओं के लिए भी अलग अलग टैब्स हैं, जो उनकी पसंद और जरूरतों को ध्यान में रखकर बनाए गए हैं। तो अब इंतजार कैसा? फटाफट गूगल प्ले स्टोर या iOS पर जाइए और रितम ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। सबसे पहले पाइए अपडेटेड न्यूज।